Good morning, innovation. This is Mr. Roussel. Today is Monday, August 31st, 2020. It was a bit rainy last week, and I hope everybody stayed safe. Please go ahead and stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. You may be seated. Our quote of the day is, "An arrow can only be shot by pulling it backward. So when life is dragging you back with difficulties, it means that it's going to launch you into something great." Paulo Coelho. We've got some important news for this week, so please listen up. What you can expect is that RenStar testing window closes Friday, September 4th. Make sure you log in to Clever. If you're in 6th and 7th grade, that means you need to complete your math and reading RenStar. For 8th grade, you just need to complete your reading RenStar. Most of you are already done, so let's make sure we finish out strong. Diagnostic testing begins this week in all your content areas. All students have until Friday, September 4th to complete that testing. Also, progress reports will be sent home at the end of the week, so make sure, scholars, that you're completing those assignments. We got quite a few birthdays this week. Let's take a look. We've got Miss Andrews this week, Mr. Thompson, Miss Wallace, Miss Clark, Mr. Dantzler, Evies, Dewan, Rihanna, and Alexander have birthdays this week. I'm going to make sure I shout you guys out on the day of your actual birthday, but got quite a few birthdays this week. Let's see what's for lunch. Today's breakfast, you have an egg and cheese sandwich. Lunch is a pork and beef collage with green beans, almondine, and baby carrots. Remember, guys, if you're having trouble coming out to pick up the food, we have our Meals on Wheels. You just have to make sure you complete that survey that was sent out to ensure that you know the drop-off times and you can pick them up. Our core value of the week is team and family. What this means is check on your peers and make sure they're okay. We want you to remember that we're all in this together. That's it for this morning, scholars. If you need anything, please let your teachers know, let me know, let an administrator know, but otherwise go on and have a great day.